Hello traders, welcome to our weekly outlook. I know it's too early, it's Thursday, so we're going to do our weekly today because on weekend we might have not time. Like last week, I said I send the links or messages to you guys so that you can look our weekly outlook. So we didn't have that time to do it. So we apologize for not doing that video for you guys, okay? But those who follow us on TradingView, they did get those updates on charts, where to trade, where to look for trades, okay? So we trying to, if not doing those videos, we are trying to update on Twitter, Facebook are not that much, but on TradingView, it's where, and Twitter, it's where we most do those links on chart, okay? This is our Twitter handle. This is our link. It's where you find us as Rev Daily Traders, okay? On TradingView, you find us here. Our link here, it's Rev. There is. Let me show you. There's our link. Okay, for you to follow us on Rev Daily Traders. Okay, guys. Then on YouTube, there's a link for you to get our videos. Okay, and make sure you subscribe to our link to our channel so that you can get those updates on videos we post every time. Okay, guys. So we're going to do this video or weekly outlook on Thursday. Sorry to make it so early, but hope you will find helping for the coming week, so that even though you see it on a chart, you see where we say maybe the chart will go this way or where to go, okay? So you'll have time with you to see where the chart is going, okay, guys? Let's go to our chart, okay? We're going to show you, this time it's going to be different. I'm going to start from weekly to see where the market is heading and why we are still on those sells and buy, okay? So I'm doing it now. I was supposed to schedule for Saturday, but I'm doing it now, okay, guys? We'll start from weekly on gold, okay? Remember, guys, that we are having this corona virus or COVID-19, okay? So most of the chart or most of the market, it will affect the market. So if you check if there's sparks on market, sparks on every chart that you try, then you see that this corona is affecting the chart, okay? So now what we are doing, we'll continue to trade what we know, what we see on the chart, okay? Don't chase the chart, don't chase the candles, okay? Because if you do so, you'll find yourself in a big trouble. So if you are in a buy, then the market goes with you. Move those stops. Keep moving those stops and wisely, okay? Then if you are in a sell, so do so, move your stops. It's what I will advise you to do so, okay, guys? Because most of the predict that we predict and what the channel, the patterns that we saw most of them tend to give us, let's say if we were saying we're looking for a buy here, they'll tend to go down here, okay? So if you are a good experienced trader, you're going to know where to look for another pattern and see what the market is doing, okay? So if you are trading news, then the market maybe will go in favor of you, okay, guys? So now we're going to start from weekly, day, then 4 hour and 1 hour, okay, guys? On weekly. I think this one is going to be our longest video that we're going to have, okay, guys? Okay, let me start from gold. On gold, what we are looking for, it's weekly market, okay? We got this flow of hours. This flow has been respected for a long time, since 26 or 26 up until 2019, okay? So what we are looking for now, we got this impulse, we got this so-called channel, okay, guys? So now what we are expecting here, we moved slowly here. Can the market comes here to test this high? Yes, it's possible, okay? So what we need to do on gold is to watch for a bigger correction here. Then we go to test this high here, okay? So we must look or expect a bigger correction there for us to go there. Then this sell, if you are a good experience, you know how to trade this sell, okay? It will be a corrective structure because there's a more room for us to go up. Okay, guys? Right. Let's see what the market is doing here. I will try to remove and we'll start afresh. I'm going to show you how we trade, okay? I'm going to start afresh with you guys. Hope you will be so patient because trading it's a patient game, okay, guys? So I hope you will be patient with us when we show you this kind of, okay. At the moment, we got this break with a flag here, okay? Then we went up, we got this flag again. Then we went up, right? So what we are expecting here, remember that we expected a bigger flag, okay? So now what we can see on bigger time frame, the bigger time frame is showing us a bit aggressive here. It's being aggressive. It's being aggressive. We have this big gulfing here. This big gulfing tells us that the market is stronger, okay? So what you need to do here is to correct here, then to give us one more low here. It's like we're going to have this head and shoulder. It's shoulder, having head, then we expect another shoulder here, okay? So on bigger time frame, we expect it to correct. Then give us a window. Remember that we expecting the market to give us a correction. So this correction, if it comes here, it's going to give us a low, then it's correct again, then a low, okay? Then we expect it to go up to test 200, 2000, okay? We'll be having this kind of pattern, okay guys? Then I will show you another pattern that it can happen here, okay? We might have this kind of price or pattern. Is this the start of more downside here? Is it a start here? We don't know, but we are going to have, let's go to monthly. Is this the start for us to go here? If it is, then if you get this flag here, sell and put it in break even, because we might have this kind of price action here for us to take us up again, okay? So if we go to lower time frame on day and see what the market is doing. Got this correction for us to take us up, okay? Then now what you need to do is to take this one and wait for correction here. That means it's going to give us a long stay here, okay? Because we must get this kind of correction, okay, here for us to take us down. So I will say look for correction, then we go for a down move, okay guys? It's where we are heading there, okay? Look for a flag, then we go down. Let's come and test this low here. Do you understand, guys? It's what you should look for next week, okay? It might start maybe tomorrow, but I expect it to start next week, this correction of ours, okay? That we expect. Then if you go to lower time frame for our, I must say we kind of started this correction. It for us to give us such like then we go down, okay? It's what we expect to get such correction on silver, on gold, sorry, on gold, okay? Then we'll go to silver. Silver, let's go to weekly, because I said we will start all the pairs on weekly market, okay? Okay, right. As I named APC here, I will show you why I named that APC. we got this down move. Expect such pattern, okay? This reversal pattern or wage, it did broke here, then now it's correcting here. So that ABC I named or labeled, it's labeled like this. It's 1 here, then you're having another 2, B, then you're having C. So now here, we're going to look for only buys, okay? Looking for only buys. Only buys we are looking at, not selling. Even though the COVID-19 is affecting the world, we'll still be looking at our chart as always, okay guys? So when we rise to go to day, for us to see this kind of pattern that we are expecting, what you need to do is have this bounce here, bounce, then we correct, then we go, correct, go, bigger correction here, then we go, okay? To what you must look for, okay? Because we were looking this pattern for us to go. Impulse 1, 2, 3. APC move to take us out here. So because of the fundamentals, it affected the price. So now we are expecting up move here to happen, okay? Then if we shift to 4 hour, for us to look for nice or a start of a trend. We will be looking for such price, okay? So at the moment, the price is struggling here. It can take us to this low, then up, correct, then you take this trade, okay? This trade can break up until to 19.00, okay? So far, what you need to do is wait for this correction. I don't know whether you want to sell it. You can sell it by today, but make sure you take profit first here, okay? Around 11.00. Then from here, look for a strong impulse, then you correct on lower time frame, then you start to trade. Your first take profit should be 16.18, okay? This is where you should look for your target. So we'll go to the USD ZAR, okay? USD ZAR. Most traders, they were scared of USD ZAR, but you shouldn't be scared of USD ZAR. I know that we have this impact on the world, the pandemic, but it shouldn't scare you anymore, because I remember you were telling you that you should look for sales here, okay, for us to take us to this part. So we got this part, we got it by testing this roof, okay? So now what we are looking for, if we go to squeeze this chart, I want to show you how we see this pattern, okay? We're having this up move, it's A, it's B, it's C, then we go up again, okay? It's our credit. So at the moment, what is doing here is doing the double top on bigger time frame, okay? All you need to do is look for sales here. Look for sales, only sales. Because if you get a correction here, you can buy it until here. Okay? If you get a correction here, and you should listen to me very carefully. But as we are looking for sales, we'll be looking to impulse here down, then we correct, then we take the trade. Correct, take the trade. We correct, we take a trade. Then from here, we are looking for our C to go up again. So we will go to a lower time frame to see if the market is giving us that down move now, or we're going to get it next week. Okay. What you should expect or see is to check whether the market is going to close below today, to close below this price of 1742. If you remember, I told you guys when the price was here that you should expect a double top, okay? But we didn't trade here. Ever since we took this trade, we took profit on 16.07, okay? It's where we took our profit. So we didn't lose anything here. Even this run that did happen, we are not blaming ourselves that why we didn't get that run. We shouldn't be greedy on trading, okay? What you predicted and what you saw on the market, you should get it, okay? Because we were using this kind of impulse to take us the same length here. That's why if you go to our videos on Rev Daily Traders on YouTube, you'll find one video saying this kind of lesson of one same length of another impulse, okay? So what you should expect here, expect a down move, wait for a correction, then you sell it here, okay? Sell it. Because we'll be expecting this 16.07. If it becomes a support, then we're going to look for buy here, okay? To take us maybe a new high. Because what we expect on this chart, we are seeing the rand going to 20 rand, okay? It's going to be so weak because of those SCOM, SAA. Even now we're getting that virus thing. So what you should expect is that correction here. If we get so, then we buy until 20 rand, okay? If we don't see that correction, wait for correction, then you sell down. Understand, guys? Then on 4 hour, what we are having, let's see what we are having on 4 hour. On 4 hour, all you need to do is wait for a nice we can get a correction here, then one more up, then this one should come here. Okay, rand is going to give us a down move sooner. It's going to give us a down move sooner. Okay, so expect a correction here, then you take one more up, take profit here on 18 rand, then you look for down move. It's where we see the red, okay? Then we will move to another chart, Euro USD, okay? We might do all the pairs today. Not all these ones we trade, because we are not trading all the pairs, okay? Go to weekly, right? On weekly, remember we are having this channel that is in building, okay guys? This channel, we are still trading in a bigger channel of weekly. We got this impulse and we are trading this channel, okay? All we expect here, we expect it's 1, 2, 3, 4, expect 1 here, 5. That means after this being finished, we expect it to come here. But how you can trade it now? You can trade it by going to lower time frame, okay? At the moment, lower time frame giving us this channel, okay? It's a reversal channel. Reversal channel, most of the time when they move slowly, they tend to give us a break here, okay? So last we got the break here, then we expected it to flag, then up, but we didn't get that, okay? So this is a false break. Then false break, most of the time, if they come back so fastly, they go back like fastly, okay? It's what we learn by the patterns, okay? Because most of the time you buy the breakout, then you are stopped out. But you shouldn't be stopped out here, because you should move your stop to break even after it moves so many pips, because it's day now, okay? Because we were looking it to test this high or roof of ours. So now what we need to do, as the market moves, the way it moves, okay? Look for the market to give us let the market to correct here and give us one more low to test 1.044, okay? You should get this first here, okay? If the market is not giving you a correction here, let the market to bounce here, then it correct, take this trade. It might go up to break this trend line, okay? Then if you got this impulse correction, then you buy here. You buy here. It might start here for us to take 1, 2, 3, then it will be a flag to go down, okay? So this roof of ours, it will be our watch point, okay guys? It will be our watch point, because we will get something like this. This one, it will be watch point, okay? You might get one more down, or you go out. The structure is like this, okay? Like this, guys. Okay, guys? This is Euro USD. We'll go to NZ USD. NZUSD. On NZUSD, when we go to weekly time frame, okay? We are having this kind of impulse. It's 1, 2, 3, APC move, then we move, then we are expecting 1, 2, 3 to move up, okay? So what you should do here, if you are a good experienced trader, as I was showing you the patterns from the bigger time frame, you should know that if it's impulse, it's 1, it's 2, it's 3, you are expecting for it to go up. Know that you should get impulse, correction, then up, right? So what is doing now? Tends to correct here and correct here. And this kind of pattern tends to give us an impulse, okay? We are expecting impulse from these lows to give us up. This low, we are expecting, we were buying this, and correction here, expecting for it to go up, but we didn't get that. Even so, we are still having this pattern, okay guys? So what you need to do now, all you need to do is wait for a close this week here and see if it closes below here or up here, okay? If it's closing below here, we'll wait for a correction here to take us down. That's why we are having this arrow, okay guys? We should get a correction, then we down to test 0.49. Then this up move should happen. When, we don't know, but we'll wait for the chart and see what the chart is doing, okay? So at the moment, what you should do, because we are expecting a flag here or a bounce. So we'll be expecting for it to give us a nice price action there. A nice price action there. At the moment, it's giving us this kind of, you can say it's a pin bar. You can say it's a pin bar. This kind of pin bar has this long tail, okay? This long tail signals that the bulls are heading towards the upside, okay? So if you are checking very well on lower time frame, you will find sorry guys,